Hello, everybody. This is Bee from Mama Bee's Kitchen. I hope you're having a great day. Today, guys, on Mama Bee's menu, we're gonna make Mama Bee's fried chicken with spicy honey sauce. So let's get started. You know, Mama Bee doesn't like to waste time. Something that I like about this recipe, guys, you don't need to marinate it. Add buttermilk, hot sauce, seasonings, bread it, and you are ready to go. Into my chicken, I'm gonna add some salt, cayenne pepper. This chicken, guys, is hot. It's hot. If you don't like spicy food, just omit cayenne pepper. Add buttermilk. Let me say maybe a cup. Using my hands, I'm gonna mix all this together. All right, just like so, guys. In my baking pan, I have 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Add salt, lawry seasoned salt. Flip your mama. Okay. Paprika. Onion powder. Garlic powder. White pepper. And black pepper. Okay. Now we're gonna mix all this together, guys. I like to use a fork when I mix my breading mixture. I realized that some of the drumsticks are larger than the others. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna start with the largest pieces. Using my left hand, I'm gonna place the chicken on the flour. Then I'm gonna use my right hand to dredge the chicken pieces with flour. Then I'm gonna place them onto a cooling rack. Make sure, guys, you remove excess flour. Just give it a shake. Okay, give it a shake like so before you place it on the rack. In the frying pan, I have oil preheated to 325 Fahrenheit. I'm gonna add chicken. So we're gonna let this go on for 24 minutes because these are big pieces. Cover the chicken. We are locking the moisture inside, guys. So after 15 minutes, I've turned the chicken around like this and cover with the lid again. And cover the lid and remove the chicken. Look at that, guys. Now we're gonna remove all the chicken. Let the chicken rest on the cooling rack to remove excess oil. Last step, we're gonna make spicy honey sauce. Into my pan on a low medium heat, I'm gonna add 1 stick of unsalted butter along with honey, hot sauce of your choice, salt and pepper to taste, cayenne pepper. I'm going to mix this until the butter melts. This process takes only 2 minutes, guys. Once the butter is melted, you are done. You have to try this sauce, guys. You pair it with Mama Bui's fried chicken. It will take you to Mama Bui's kitchen. And I smear that hot sauce, guys. On top, just like so. There you have it, guys. Mama Bui's fried chicken with spicy honey sauce. Try it, guys. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my honey. Bye, my honeys.